Hey, do you want to learn how to add an image in your blog post? In this video, I'm going to show you how to do it. So first you need to get over to your WP admin page, and then on it on the left hand side under post, click on all posts, and you're going to find all your posts here. Now what you need to do is get inside one of these. For example, I'm going to click on here on edit, and it's going to take me over to this blog post editor. Now inside it, you can press on any one of these fields, for example this one, and on the top right you're going to find these three dots. Click on it. You're going to see add after or add before. So you can add after a block field like this, or I can also delete it. And at the end of this in experience dot, I can press enter, and it's going to add us a block section. Great. Now I can press slash on my keyboard. Then this is going to appear. Here I can search for image, and there you go. We've got this image block and the image gallery, and the featured image as well. So I can add this image, just press on it once, and it's going to add that image block. Now you can insert from URL, upload an image yourself, or go into media library, find the images that you've uploaded from here. Also, you can go to search images, and these are with the help of Pikzels or Pixabay. They are free stock media websites, so you can get from them. Just search from here and add one. I'm going to go inside the media library and select one of these and click on select on the bottom right to add it. Great. Now, if you're wondering what is featured image, go here on the top right next to save button, click on this settings. Then here you've got your featured image. This is going to appear on all social media platforms and such. And it's also going to appear on the top of your blog post. So if you want to remove it or replace it, you can do from here. Once you're done, click on save, and let's view our post. There you go. We have added our image and our featured image. And that's it. That's how to add an image in WordPress. I hope this video helped solve your problem. If it did, let me know with a like and comment. And on the right hand side, you're going to find more WordPress related guides and fixes. See you there, and bye for now.